Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This week on Modify Weekly, we are painting my disgusting old peeling rocker cover in matte black. Sound. So, all the bolts in here, they're all 10mm, so you're only going to need 10. First thing you're going to want to take off is your IV cover. Once you've now got your IV cover off, you can proceed to take off all the 10mm bolts around the side, take their seats off, and you can take your spark plug cover off as well. So now you've got all of your 10mm bolts undone and got the seats taken out, you can then proceed to take your coil packs out, which are very easy. Literally just got to take them off. Then you've got bolts 1, 2, 3, and they literally just come out and there's your coil pack. So now we've got all the coil packs out, all the 10mm bolts out, a couple at the back as well. Got the rail pushed over to the back. So now all we've got to do, disconnect the breather from the rocker cover to the airbox, and then rocker cover can pull out. Nearly gotcha.
Disgusting.
Absolutely disgusting. Right, so we're using nitro morse, which is a very, very strong paint stripper to get all the paint off of the rocker cover. First of all, you'll want to wear gloves because it is quite highly acidic, this stuff. So better to be safe than sorry. So now we've just done our first coat of nitro morse paint remover. As you can see, it's already pulling it away, bubbling it up and all that good stuff. So now we've got to leave it for 40 minutes whilst it works its magic. So it's been about half an hour, 40 minutes since we first nitro morsed it. It's all flaking off pretty nicely now.
It's raining.
It's raining as well, which is always good. We've got the jet wash out, which is going to give it a quick blast, and we've got a wire brush, so we're going to give it a scrub down afterwards, see what's going on, see if we need to put another coat on it and leave it for a bit longer. So yeah. So this is what our rocker cover is looking like after the first course of nitro morse. Getting there. There's only a few more little patches of paint, so we're gonna have to do one more coat to get it nice and cleaned up. So now we've got all of our paint stripped, dried up, prepped up with tissue in the important holes, and now it's ready to spray our rocker cover now.
Well, you want to get yourself some high heat paint because obviously it's an engine and it's going to get hot. We've got Hammerite, it's good stuff, just in matte black. This stuff requires no primer and it's quick drying and resists up to 600 degrees, so we went with that.
Picture me ballin', picture me with the fifth of Henny's, I'm falling. Picture me right around.
So that's the first coat on. You're going to need to leave about 5 to 10 minutes between coats just so they can dry back. Obviously it'll get darker, getting quite grey at the moment. So after it's all painted, you need to come in, clean all the water out of there and put your gasket back in, or replace your gasket if it needs replacing.
Not a bad little job.
Then you want to come around and repeat the process you did to take it off, taking all your bolts off, putting them back on, and then put your ignition coils cover back on, put them ignition coils back in. It's pretty much done, ready to put back together.
So now we've got our rocker cover in, all of the bolts done up nice and, well, tight-ish, as tight as they need to go. Painted the Honda red, and yeah, it just looks quite clean now, apart from when it was red, peeling everywhere, dirty, and yeah, successful I'd say. And that, everyone, is how you paint your rocker cover. It's not the most exciting job to do, but it really does clean up your engine bay quite nicely. Because when you've got a dirty, black, peeling paint everywhere, it's just not pretty to look at, but it tidies up your engine bay quite nicely. That's it from us for this week. Tune in next week for a brand new video, and we're out. See you later.